Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to use Easymaxx sewing machine model ST480, and I've already loaded the thread here. So this is the thread holder, and you bring it through this little screw here and bring the thread all the way up, and like it's sewn here, bring the thread all the way around this way, and there's a little hook. I don't think you can see it clearly here. It's inside. You have to bring the thread through the hook and bring it all the way down and thread it on the needle. And you need 2 sets of thread for this machine, 1 set on the top and 1 on the bottom. So the bottom one here is called bobbin. I'll show you how to peel the thread in the bobbin as well later.